Okay, hey everybody. Today I'm going to show you my super simple shake recipe. Super simple. So start off with heaping half a cup of frozen fruit. You can use fresh fruit. I just like frozen, it's just easier. I like mine a little bit frosty. 8 ounces of water. I also put a little bit of cinnamon, a couple shakes of cinnamon. My favorite, it really gives it a good flavor. And I am on a chocolate shake kick, so we're gonna be having 2 scoops of chocolate shake. Let's put that right in there. And mix this baby up. That simple, you guys. I usually put it in my to-go and then put it back in the freezer for about an hour before I leave for the day because I like it kind of cold. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave in the comments or let me know.